everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to Payment Arise. My name is Lida. In this video, we will continue to study our word from the lesson 29 that talk about Jesus' teaching part 2. So we have 5 words to learn together. Are you ready? Let's begin. So our first word today is feed. Feed. We can spell F-E-E-D. Feed. Let's look at our examples. The girl is feeding chickens their daily food. The girl is feeding the chickens their daily food. And example 2. The kids love feeding bread to the ducks. Alright, what's number 2? Race. Race. Race we could spell R-A-I-S-E. Race. There, for example, the farmer raises chickens and pigs. Example 2. Her parents died when she was a baby, and she was raised by her grandparents. Third word is cut. Cut. Cut we can spell C-U-T. Cut. Alright, there for example. The boy cuts the grass to keep the farm nice and clean. Example 2. I'll cut my hair after I finish my final exam. Word number 4. Dig. Dig. Dig we can spell D-I-G. Dig. Examples. The dog was digging a hole to hide its bone. Another example. We dug a hole and planted trees. And the last word is field. Field. Field we could spell F-I-E-L-D. For examples, the farmer put up the fence to stop people from across his field. And another example is, the cows were all standing in one corner of the field. Alright, now please repeat all the words with me one more time. Feed. Feed. Race. Race. Cut. Cut. Dig. Dig. And field. Field. Well done everyone, I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe and ring the bell to see more videos. Or you want to watch a full lesson taught by Miss Jenny Taylor, you just click the link below. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye bye.